Marco, one of the physiotherapists at Total Physiocare. At Total Physiocare, we offer face-to-face consultations, telehealth consultations, and group exercise consultations via Zoom. So today we'll be talking about joint replacements and how physiotherapy can help. Joint replacements are commonly used in osteoarthritis where the condition has progressed so your quality of life has been severely impacted. Now, with milder cases of osteoarthritis, we do offer a program called GLAD. This is a 6-week program run by specially trained physiotherapists, and at the end of the 6 weeks you can decide whether the prehab has worked or whether you still need to go ahead with your joint replacement operation. For the 10 to 15% of patients that still need to go ahead with their joint replacements, Total Physiocare works closely with specialist orthopedic surgeons out of Western private and Warringal private hospitals. Now, I've got a model here of the knee to show you what the surgeons will be doing on your knee. Now, basically, they'll be putting a combination of metal surfacing or plastic surfacing onto your knee joints so they don't rub against each other as much. And as a result, as long as your rehabilitation goes smoothly, most of the pain that you were experiencing before the operation will be controlled and well managed. Keep in mind that this is a long process involving many months of rehabilitation after your joint replacement. After the operation, you'll be spending about a week in the hospital. There will be physiotherapists like myself who will assist you from the first day after your operation, and this will involve a combination of exercise and education. We'll be providing exercises to help your joint range and your joint strength improve, and we'll provide some education about how best to use the crutches, as well as how best to manage your pain and your swelling after the operation. Now, at the end of the first week, we'll send you home with a pair of crutches and hopefully see you in the clinic from the second week onwards. As physios who work closely alongside orthopedic specialist surgeons in Western private and Warringal private, we are well placed to provide high quality and evidence-based rehab. In clinic, we'll be helping you to set and achieve your goals. If you're someone with osteoarthritis and would like more information, feel free to contact us at one of our clinics. The information is in the description box below. If you're interested in telehealth consultations, our first one is free. You can book online or call us at one of our clinics. We hope to see you there.